Look up at the night sky. It's a black canvas, vast and deep. Countless stars are like tiny dots of paint, scattered across its darkness. Each star, a distant sun, shines with its own light. This canvas is alive, always changing, a cosmic masterpiece. The night sky invites us to dream, to wonder. What secrets does it hold? What stories does it tell? We are part of this grand canvas, connected to it in ways we are only beginning to understand. Our journey begins with a single step, a single question, a single glance upwards. The universe is not just black and white, it's a kaleidoscope of colors, vibrant and breathtaking. Galaxies swirl like cosmic paint strokes, each a unique blend of light and dust. Some are spirals, others are elliptical, each telling a story of billions of years. Nebulae, clouds of gas and dust, glow with ethereal colors. Red from hydrogen, blue from oxygen. These colors reveal the elements that make up the universe. Stars themselves come in a rainbow of hues, from the cool red giants to the hot blue supergiants. Each color tells a story of a star's life and death. The cosmic canvas is not static, it's constantly evolving, a dynamic masterpiece in perpetual motion. Stars are born in vast nebulae, live their lives shining brightly, and eventually die in spectacular supernovae, their life cycles playing out over eons, contributing to the cosmic cycle of creation and destruction. Galaxies, those grand collections of stars, collide and merge, creating new patterns and structures on the cosmic canvas, a dance of celestial bodies that reshapes the universe. Black holes, invisible to the naked eye, warp space and time with their immense gravity, leaving an indelible mark on the cosmos, pulling in everything that comes too close. From the explosive birth of the Big Bang to the present day, the universe has been expanding, stretching the cosmic canvas ever wider, a testament to the power of creation. This expansion continues relentlessly, carrying galaxies away from each other like boats on a vast cosmic ocean, drifting further apart with each passing moment. Time is but another thread in this grand tapestry, weaving together the past, present and future, a silent witness to the universe's endless evolution and the stories written in the stars. Section 4. Earth, a cradle of life on the canvas. In a quiet corner of the Milky Way galaxy, a pale blue dot hangs suspended, seemingly insignificant yet profoundly unique. This is Earth, our home. A tiny oasis teeming with life, a sanctuary in the vastness of space. On this small stage, life has evolved from the simplest organisms to complex beings capable of contemplating the universe itself, a journey spanning billions of years, from the vibrant coral reefs, bustling with marine life, to the lush rainforests brimming with biodiversity. Earth is a testament to the beauty and diversity of life, showcasing an array of ecosystems and species. The oceans, vast and blue, cover most of the planet, nurturing countless forms of life within their depths, while continents drift across its surface like giant puzzle pieces, shaping the world we know. Earth's unique conditions, from its atmosphere to its water cycles, make it a cradle for life, a precious jewel on the cosmic canvas, a beacon of life in the vast, dark expanse of the universe. Section 5. The everlasting masterpiece, a testament to wonder. The universe, in all its vastness and complexity, is an awe-inspiring masterpiece, a grand symphony of celestial wonders that stretches beyond our imagination. From the smallest atom, the building blocks of matter, to the largest galaxy, a sprawling collection of stars and planets, everything is connected, part of a grand design that we are only beginning to comprehend. As we continue to explore and learn, we uncover more of the universe's secrets, each discovery a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. The cosmic canvas, with its vibrant nebulae and twinkling stars, is a reminder of the beauty and wonder that surrounds us, a visual symphony that inspires awe. It's a call to explore, to question, to never stop marveling at the universe and our place within it. Each observation, each question, brings us closer to understanding the grand tapestry of existence. For in the end, we are all made of star stuff, and the universe itself is our ultimate home, a boundless expanse that beckons us to explore and cherish its infinite wonders.